See what this woman talk about, man. I thought I did a decent job on the car. She talking about some, oh no. What you mean, oh no? It look alright to me. I don't know what she talking about. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Oh, that's what she talking about. Gotcha. Yeah, that gotta go. Bye-bye. Rewash. This. See, if I was to just say this happened, nobody would believe me. Look at this. What the hell? You serious? Really? Now, if I was to say that was back there, nobody would believe me, but y'all see it. Alright, what it's doing? Wow, what it's doing? What's going down, gang? This your boy Tizzle. Same day, different video. Excuse me. So, as y'all see, I gotta rewash the car. I didn't record earlier of me washing the car. I don't know why, but I washed her earlier, but I gotta rewash her because she is dirty at the bottoms. But anyway, if this is your first time watching the video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video even though you don't know what the heck is going on. Like it anyway. Go ahead and give the video a big old thumbs up. Share my video so that the channel can continue to grow, guys. I have been growing good at a nice, successful little rate. I appreciate all my followers. So go ahead and share the video so that I can grow even more. Also, guys, also, go ahead and hit that bell so you can be part of the notification game. But anyway, long story short, do one more thing for me. Leave some comments in the comment section below, man. Let me know who's watching. I want to know who's in tune with the movement and all that good stuff. So leave some comments in the comment section. But anyway, I'm about to rewash Bloody Hopper. Then I'm gonna hop over there to Big Blue over there. Both of these cars gotta get washed, man. I cannot have these cars dirty and we ride around clean, man. So I'm gonna wash the cars. I'm gonna go put on some more clothes too, cause it's a little cold out here. It's a little nippy. Matter of fact, how cold it is. I got my keys on me. Sure do. Ha ha ha. Yes, sir. No, I'm not giving y'all a cold start. I'm trying to see how cold it is outside. Plus, I need to move this thing anyway. Nah, I might keep it right here. She can stay right here. Alright, 47 degrees out here. It's a little nippy. But whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna re-clean the left side of this car. Then we gonna hop on Big Blue. And then, yeah, like I said earlier, I'm going to this car meet. A lot of people, not a lot of people, but a handful of people wanted me to go to the car meet or whatnot. And I got some people that's going to be pulling up to that thing too. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. And if y'all ain't hit that bell yet to be part of the notification gang yet, go ahead and hit that bell, man. Don't turn it just to, like, you know, I know it got 3 options. It'd be like none, personalized, and all. Make sure y'all turn that thing to all because y'all want to stay tuned to everything that's going on. Everything. Yes, sir. But until then, I'll catch y'all in a minute. So I just decided I'm gonna just rewash both of the cars. So yay me.
DJ Nick exclusive.
DJ Nick. didnt.
DJ Nick exclusive, you feel me?
DJ Nick exclusive.
Alright, what's going on, gang? So we out here post up at the meetup spot. Everybody's coming through. Look who over there behind me over there in the back. Okay, with the green. Okay, with the green. Look, he pulling up. Pulling up, yes sir. But anyway, gang, we are right here at the meetup spot. We're gonna do some cruising. I got the freaking I got the GoPro on my hood. Let me show y'all real quick. GoPro on the thing, man. So we about to roll out. Everybody's aware that, you know, we rolling out, so hopefully it's a safe ride. Oh shit. I got it. Alright. boys got them things out here, all kind of toys. You hear purring? They got all kind of toys out here. That man got the lights on that thing. We got the Honda out here. We got about 2 Hondas. He did. I had to drive, man. I had to drive. Yes, sir. We out here, man. We are out here.
30, baby, what up?